Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Life Vlog. Today I'm going to teach you how to make delicious homemade Nutella cookies. You can share this recipe with your family and friends. These cookies will be ready in just a couple of minutes. So let's get started and see the recipe. Alright, I'm going to use 1 cup of Nutella. You could use any chocolate hazelnut spread in this recipe though. They all work really well. So 1 cup Nutella is about 300 grams. So now I'm gonna put this in my bowl. Now add 1 large egg which is on room temperature. So now we're gonna beat the egg into the Nutella so it's nice and smooth. Really mix it nicely. So this Nutella has everything a cookie needs. It has the sugar, the chocolate, the hazelnut. It's gonna be so delicious. Now add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour in the strainer, which is 100 grams. And sift it nicely. Make sure there is no lumps in the flour. Now fold the batter with the spatula nicely, like that. Now whisk it. So you don't want to over mix the cookie dough. You can mix it until almost combined, like I am doing it. Now finish the batter off with the spatula. You just fold in and fold in and don't overwork it. Just fold it. When you are done, the dough should look basically like chocolate fudge. It smells amazing. Here I have this baking tray ready with the parchment paper on it. Now I'm gonna scoop up the dough, and I'm using this spoon, which is a measurement spoon, and this is 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon. So because basically I want a round shape, so that's why I am using this spoon. So it gives me a really nice round shape. This recipe is so fun because you could add chocolate chips, nuts, a dash of salt, a little bit of vanilla. Almost anything will work in this cookie and be really, and you know, it's gonna be very delicious. If you want to make this recipe without using egg, you can add a banana, like half banana, and mix that in. Banana should definitely hold together and it's gonna be fine. So you can then, after that, you can make a ball and bake in the same temperature and it will be done. Now is the time to bake. So we're gonna bake this cookies at 350 Fahrenheit for 177 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes in preheated oven. After 12 minutes, the cookies came out and they are really amazing and smells really good. It's just like fudgy brownies. So I would let them cool down for a few minutes because it's really hot now. After a few minutes, the Nutella cookies is completely cooled down, and you can check that. Look at that. They look so fudgy. Now enjoy this yummy and delicious Nutella cookies with cup of tea, coffee or milk. Up to you. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. It's me, Nancy Verma. See you next time with another episode or another recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.